Toutatis is ready to go at Parc Asterix in France, and we've got a look at the first official POV of what's going to be France's fastest roller coaster. This is an Intamin LSM launch coaster. Actually, it's the same model as Pantheon at Busch Gardens Williamsburg, so that'll be familiar to American coaster fans. But Toutatis is really a plussed-up version. You can see the superior theming that Parc Asterix has put into this coaster. It's not quite as fast as Pantheon, but it is a little bit longer and a little bit steeper. So wherever you are in the world, follow along and enjoy this first virtual ride with the official POV of Toutatis from Parc Asterix in France. Again, this is part of a new Toutatis Festival Land that is opening at the French theme park on April 8th this year.